guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So inside the process while they work, I see Iyore. So make it not too close, so make I just the show route. I want to take a walk to my tram station. Okay. Let me do it this way. Because I just want to see the face now, Jomofuma. Now I still did the house, the building. So briefly, as I was walking, somebody threw some videos to me. I click on it. I see say this Oyomba #1 day life. They cast aspersion on the sacredness of the authority of our tradition. No matter what. With what Iyore just did today, it's high time those people they associate with them should either quickly call themselves Oyomba, or they should be ready to fight this fight. Well, Iyore don't draw the battle line already. She has drawn the battle line. Based on this, I want to speak on issues with this issue because I don't see some miscreants. If they be real Benin children, if not be hunger, kill them. They don't do the line that Iyore has crossed. Iyore crossed the line. Iyore run mouth, go meet the reverend authority of the Benin Kingdom, which you people hold with so much high esteem. Una agree, una concur, say this is a reverend institution you so much believe in. Now she has come out to rubbish that nothing they did that day is binding to her. She owes no one of you no obligation. She's not responding to anybody. She has finally done that. She did it today because I saw the video. When she was live, I have to write. Those people like Queen Rita, people like Queen Talk Show, what they call this woman, their mommy, if not be bona fide daughters of Benin Kingdom, make them quickly do the needful. Queen Rita TV, Barrister Rita, PhD holder. I say you dey form alliance with her. She dey share your video. I just go her page. Does it say she dey share your video quickly? If not, the rot will go hit you. You get as it be. The rot will go hit you. It will get as it be. And I put water for my talker. You don't draw the battle and say she want to beat everybody now. She has known that the name has been sealed on her copy. That is why she has gone gaga. Like I rightly wrote on this topic, I say she has gone gaga. Now, the effect of the sweat of the work. Now she wants to come out to insult everybody. The so-called stupid Igbo man, they give her momentum. They fool her to her doom. We thought this woman should have been feeling remorse for all her atrocities. Me personally, I think say she go do the need after she felt both say make they go give her letter. After she had heard into the tradition of the land, they call her Peking. Come explain yourself. She deposed, did they repose? Who give her power? That stupid 419, stupid one they call Wetin Odogu my foot. Odogu will not get tradition from that land. Can anybody disrespect my tradition? Nobody does it to Eastern tradition. Nobody. No bona fide daughter or son of Eastern land they will cause. Anybody go associate with them. Now let Benin people hand for the Siam. Only Benin people hand. Now for the Siam. Iyore was caused. Iyore said the cause with the cause say in no hold water. People will say that you know they walk. What did kill that society? That society is baseless. Iyore has openly come out to challenge the great authority of Benin Kingdom, that everything, the bedrock of everything they hold on to, their institutions, are worthless. That is what she has said. That is what she has said. So who get here, make it here. Who get here, make it here. People like Frank Vito, where they collect money for Iyore hand for back. People like Atiti, people like Queen Talk Show, where the Queen Talk Show, where they call herself Mommy Queen, whatever. People like the one we call himself PhD, Rita, Ayimomo, where they share your video, make una take note of this, take cognizance of this fact. Seriously. I just want to stand for one position because maybe my video go the wave. We are one track go day fast more. Make I just talk here. Make una take cognizance of this fact because they always educate una of the gravity of una offense. Ignorance is no immunity of your crime before the law. You don't know rich. You don't know rich. She has blatantly come out to tell us, say, one at last make he go to the news, so that una be fools, una be magas, una be idiots, una not what una onions. What a shame. What a shame of a people. Now go share the video because all of una, no one hear truth. I will not stop emphasizing on this point. If you like, when I restrict my views, if to say me I don't sit down, I'll come set my laptop, set every my thing. Me personally go promote my videos to the end of the world, but because of the need for me to do and make it there say I talk. You know, share good things. Now people family issues. Person insult his mother-in-law, insult his father-in-law. All of them go gather for them. They want to be to correct what you get inside on our own cupboard. That is the ignorance, the hypocrisy of you people. The hypocrisy of you people. Serious issues to be trashed, none of you will be there. Gossip. African German lady cussing mother-in-law. Now be the trendy issue now. Now be the trendy issue for all the miscreants we have in Europe. People, they cash out. People are busy cashing out. Fools are being there sharing idiotic and nonsensical videos. When there are issues, mind-boggling issues to be addressed, kidnapping case, cases of the Christians being killed on Christmas Day, I don't see one ignorant those social media person we call blogger, make it call talker. None of them, because they lack knowledge. All they care about is gossip, destructive gossip, how people's marriage is being destroyed. They will be there. Things that don't pay to make the community to be sane and better for them all. They know they think towards those things. Cheap gossip. People are here now, but none is willing to even comment because they don't want to be seen to talk for things where make sense. But even for gossip, they go to comment, they go to press love and like. The thing go to flow, they jump. They'll be pressing love and like for destructive communications. So painful. If I look at the black people, hey, will there be liberation for the black race? Obviously. I don't see it coming in the next 2 million years. You always be eating from the crumbs of the white people because of their mindset. Anything good, no they fit support her. But when this is negative, destructive, somebody fuck person wife, somebody rape one woman, somebody destroy, somebody's marriage is gonna be destroyed, somebody just big ass, all of now go there, go count the numbers. Present sir, present man, depressed women, depressed elements will be there commenting. Depressed of the most depressed. Which I 100% don't say, most of them, they're depressed. If you listen to their voice, what they call, you know, they talk like human beings. They talk like sicklers, retarded beings, retarded individuals. Because if they can't look those people where they communicate with, if they see that, they don't go buy their 2 kobo. They go be like, oh, most especially people they follow Iyore, I think it's now reject of the highest reject of Human traffickers will don't finish. When their voice, if they down, their voice not get volume, it not get power. Hey, talk. I heard one woman colleague say, Iyore, oh, okay. I didn't notice that. Okay, yeah. Somebody just told me that my light is on. So, my people, you guys should crave my indulgence of the break in transmission. I have to transmit it because I have the foresight to see this potential destruction where you really want to commit for, and which is ready to bring people like Rita, Mumu TV, and who else, the Queen Talk Show too, and maybe sympathizers like Richard Osadeye. People like Eddie Murphy don't go take you. So I want to quickly use this medium. Richard Osadeye, even a true Benin man. Your papa na Benin, your mama na Isha. Richard, it is high time. Make una put una voice, make una disassociate una self from Iyore quickly. Frank Victor is a culprit, already condemned already. That one not care. See that one for Mama Kevin car. They say they go pick Kevin for school. That one don't finish. That one not just get level. That one na baby picker I can't be. Errand boy. As is most successful, those social media presenter, you should be showing us better thing. Not errand boy. Go and pick the young content creator for school. You don't fail. Obviously, you don't fail. You're just trying to put yourself to make it irrelevant. But obviously, the truth must beat you. The truth must beat you. I told the business say, when I finish, when my schedule can't do less, I'll come talk to you as they talk to Pekin. You be boy from Victor. Therefore, Mama kept the car. Sit down for one corner. They fool yourself. It is left for people who get foresight to not say, you are finished. Of course, obviously finished. But you condemn. What you they condemn, now you they do. If today, as they still give me pregnant Meg video, I still go look. I go see Meg, they bust your package, they bust your bubble. You they toast her for back. What a shame. Because it's not great for you. Because it's not great for you, that your short body. You just come from Libya, Lapa. You do study under a fair back. You just say you want to come bamboozle everybody. They will come key before. Come key say you get say no, so you be very, very big hypocrites of the highest order. Chameleon. You know the chef say go sit down for market the car today. You go Germany or you go drive you. You not get document. Now, Mama Kevin is shameless. So shameless. If she's a woman, what are onions? She should know the gravity of damage you don't cause. But obviously, even Satan get followers. Even Satan get followers. Satan get followers. People like Mama Kevin should be ostracized from society. Maybe in the village where she did, blacks not there. Now make her take you. Maybe now one interior village or one dirty commune where no blacks say. She not the shame. She don't go hide. Nobody know her. With the offense, where you do the damage, what you don't do to women. Mama Kevin feel bold, put you for car. What a shame to womanhood. Mama Kevin call herself woman. But that's not the issue, the reason of this broadcast. But I just want to chip her in, say, when I come sit down, Frank Victor, I go tell you what's not be lies, truth. I know they talk for people matter, can't they be corrector, where you can't be the worst. They find African German first lady matter where you talk put, who right or who not wrong. They find Richard Osadeye, how to talk put, whether I talk put well or you not talk put well. Whereby you own the smell for your body. You never clear yourself whether you fuck my ego. You've not done that. They talk of people matter. What a shame. What hypocrisy. What double standards. You go behind the city, collect money for Iyore. Where the palace swear for. Iyore, they come and talk, say, na that thing, na fake. What can be done without the notice of the king of the land? How can that be done without the reverend authority? No. Now she's not claiming credence based on the fact that Izobo, Agbada, and Utete, Omogiabi, or whatever, has been found wanting based on certain error on their part because they swear for you. Then they can't get fought. Not come make say the palace not go fit sanction them. You will sink that fact into your empty skull. That your teacher, stupid Odogu, will not go school. You plus Odogu, you are all stark illiterate. For all I care. You plus Odogu are stark illiterate. Now you call the Iyore, call the people illiterate. You is the number one illiterate of the highest order. Odogu never teach you. You plus Odogu cannot withstand my competence. What Odogu they teach you? Just a brainwash you, draining you to bring you deep down the drain the more. That's what Odogu is doing to you. Because you are finished. So I can acknowledge the fact that you're desperate. That's why you came out this evening to tell us, nothing they happen. The juju for the land is you are not binding to it. Good. If you say you be Christian, now your authority call you based on certain issues. You spoke in. Go to the land and answer them. You say you know they go. Now coffee, your coffee they will carry and go. But just don't say you've been ostracized from the society. That's a fact. That's why I come out to come talk to Queen Rita Ayemama again. And this girl, Queen TV, waiting for Napoli. And whoever they support Iyore, make una count on herself, say they also get the dance. Don't they start? Because Iyore don't too point. He don't to talk what she's not supposed to talk. So whoever where Iyore they promote, directly or indirectly, taking bribe from Iyore should be equally ostracized from the land. That's the gravity of what you people will get. If we can disassociate ourselves from Monkey Face, Sophia, Uwa, Obaze, Messi Coco, we don't talk to them. Those people come to our program. We'll call the Oyomba. Then they openly they associate self with Iyore. We thought Iyore is kind of channeling her energy towards the direction to go seek for recompetence, for forgiveness. Now she has come out blatantly to come to tell us to our face, say, who will hug transformer, make it hug. She know the go. The juju is not working. The tradition is dead. The tradition is insignificant. So you people should think to know the gravity of whoever they get sympathy for. This is my brief one. Who get ear, make it share. I want to take a walk, go hit my tram. Cannot feel they move, they do video because maybe the network could wave. So that being said, that being done, I'm done. Make una share if you like, una not share. Una sabi. When I reach out, I will share by myself.